Using Camtasia to edit video and transcripts together. On the left hand side, click Media. To the right, click Import Media and find your video file. Next, on the left hand side, click More, click CC Captions. And then click Import to import your captions file. It must be in an SRT format. We've inserted the captions and it put the tractions on track 1, but I actually want the video on track 1, so I'm just going to left click and drag this up to track 2 because I want the captions on top of the video. I'll go back to Media and I'll left click and drag the video. Now you can play the video and find out what parts you'd like to edit. Right away I see there's a big gap here where nothing's going on. These lines here means that I was speaking. So I'm just going to grab the handle here and stop it about right here, and I want to cut out all this information, so I'll grab the red part of the handle here and drag it across, and notice how it kind of highlights the area. So this is what I want to cut out, and I'll click the scissors to do that. This cuts and does a ripple delete at the same time. And notice how it cut the video and audio and it cut the transcriptions. Above, we can also see that our transcription times changed to match the cuts. So now we'll want to render the video and the transcriptions separately. Or actually download the transcriptions and render the video. So while we're still in captions, we'll click the cog to the top left. And we'll click Export Captions and we'll export as an SRT file. Then we'll render the video. On the top right, we'll click Share, Local File, Custom Production Settings, Next, MP4 Smart Player, Next. And notice under Options here, we have options with the captions. But since we are doing the captions separately, we don't need any of these checked. Next. I'll leave the defaults here. Next. And then I'm just telling the computer where to save my video file. And I'm going to put it in the same place where I saved the captions. And of course you can give it a name. And finish. And it's rendering the video. And when it's done, we can click Open Production Folder. And here is our MP4 file. And here is our SRT file. So now that you have the MP4 and the SRT, you can upload these to YouTube, Facebook, media site, etc.